In this video, I will show you the easiest way to take a screenshot on Windows 11. So let's get started. First, open the interface of which you wish to take the screenshot. It could be folder, any file or a web page. Let's say I want to take a screenshot from the Apple website. Now press Windows Shift S keys on your keyboard. You need to press the combination of Windows, Shift and S. Now the screen will dim and the snipping tool controls will appear at the top. Your mouse will change to the crosshair for the selection. Now use your mouse to select the area of the screen that you want to capture. Once selected, the screenshot is automatically copied to your clipboard. To save the screenshot, just open any image editing app like Paint and press Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. Next, press Ctrl S to save the image. Choose the location where you want to store it and then click on Save. And that's it. You have successfully taken and saved a screenshot on Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.